Hello, my dear students, and welcome back a new English lesson. In our lesson for today, we are going to ask and answer questions about time. Let's begin with our lesson rules. First, sit down properly in a quiet room. Second, be quiet. My dear students, let's watch this video to discover the subject of our lesson for today.
What's the time? 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 It's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. What's the time? 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 It's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 12 o'clock. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock.
So, my dear students, our lesson for today is about time. Listen, what's the sound? It's the sound of a clock. Look, my dear students, this is a clock. And when we want to read the time, we read it from a clock. And when we ask about time, we use what's the time? What's the time? Look here. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. We read the time from the clock. We begin to read the time from the shorthand. This is the shorthand. The long hand is fixed. We will not move it. So it's 9 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Let's do this activity. Look, my dear students, this is our friend Sarah. She is asking about the time. What's the time? Look here. Look at the shorthand. In which number? We have here 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, or 8 o'clock. Let's think and help our friend Sarah. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Now let's help Sarah. What's the time? Look at the shorthand. What's this number? We have here 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, or 2 o'clock. Let's think. Great! It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Look at the shorthand. 3 o'clock. Let's help our friend Sarah. She's asking about the time. What's the time? Look at the shorthand. What's this number? We have here 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, or 11 o'clock. Let's think. It's 10 o'clock. Look here. This is the number 10. 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Again, we will help our friend Sarah. What's the time? Look at the shorthand. Look at this number we have here. 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or 10 o'clock. Let's think. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Now our friend Sarah is happy. Let's help her now. What's the time? We will use the short arrow and the long arrow to help her. Look here, it's 1 o'clock. First we will use the short arrow. Where we will put it? 1. Where is number 1 here? Let's think. Great job! This is 1 o'clock. Look here. It's 9 o'clock. Let's help her. 9. Where is number 9 here? Let's think. Great job! This is 9 o'clock. Again, it's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. We will use first the short arrow. Where is number 4 in the clock? Great job!
Yay!
This is 4 o'clock. Now it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Let's help our friend Sarah to find the time. 8. Where is number 8 here? Can you see it? Yes, great job. This is 8 o'clock. Now, my dear students, let's do this activity. Read and match. We have here 3 clocks. Let's begin with the first sentence. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Which one is the right time here? Great job. This is 5 o'clock. Now let's read this time. It's 11 o'clock. Which one is 11 o'clock? Look at the shorthand here and here. Which one is 11 o'clock? Let's think. Great job. And the last time is it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. And this is the shorthand of the clock. Well done. My dear students, this is your homework for today. Look and write the time. We reach the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for your attention and see you soon in a new lesson. Goodbye.